Well, it's never good when you're driving through the field and you see that. Good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. I think it's Thursday. Let's see, I think it rained Tuesday. Wednesday it was wet, and that makes today Thursday. Yep. So I was able to get off work a little early. It's now about 1 o'clock, and it's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. Okay. It's about 2 o'clock, and I'm gonna head out to the farm now. Get the planter out. I have one tube on one fertilizer opener that I want to try and change real quick. It should only take me a couple minutes to fix that, and then I've already got seed in the planter and everything. Get out there. Dad was gonna go get the fertilizer tank and go get the last of my starter, and everything should be good. I think today is the last day of my Range Point RTX subscription, so I was really hoping that I could finish planting today. It's a year subscription, so we didn't even start until this time last year, so I'm hoping to get done today so that I don't have to pay another year subscription on that. That would be a nice little savings. So that is the plan for today. Let's see what happens. It's a little breezy out here. Hopefully you can hear this. So just out here checking. There's some moisture underneath, but it's still. Oops. Oh, that's it. See, there's some moisture underneath. The top is dry. I think it's going to go just fine. We're not going to be sticking to the gauge wheels. We might get a little sticking on the disc blades, but I think it'll be just fine. Alright, get this beast out. Anyone guess what we gotta do first? Got it. Check it won't focus. Check the oil. We're still in the good range. Ha! That's the boot that ripped from up there that I replaced. I just left it laying there. It rode around for about 30 acres. Right there. Hasn't moved. Guess I should throw it away. Alright, this is row 4, the one I keep having a problem with. You can see how crudded up it is inside of there. So there's a hole in the side of the tube. So I'm going to put a new tube on there. And hopefully that keeps this row from plugging up all day long. Yeah, that's pretty bad. There we go. We'll give that a shot. Well, surprise, surprise, we got another fertilizer opener pushing. So the guard was bent into the blades, but that's not the issue. So I'm gonna pull those blades off and clean that out. Well, there we go. It's built up nice and thick in there. again, and both blades. Oh, maybe I replaced the tube on the wrong one. This is the one with the hole in the side. I replaced the tube on this row. Maybe I replaced it on the wrong row. Or maybe I just need more tubes. I don't know, but guess I'll clean it out. Keep going. Alright, got her all back together. Spinning nice. Turn my valve back on. So, get starter. And let's go back. Alright, I looked back and saw this dark trench. Huh. I'd say we've got a little trash built up in here. Oh, it's shoved between our closing wheels. Here we go. There. Closing wheels look good. Whoop. Something stuck. A little dirt stuck on that one. There we go. Cage wheels are good. A little loose, but it's good. It's this guy. He's got some. There we go. Okay. So we're good to go. That was easy. Well, it's never good when you're driving through the field and you see that. Alright, let's see what we got in our box of tricks. Alright, I was able to find 2 metric bolts and a pretty rusty washer. So let's see. Oh, that's not it. And that probably means that's not it either. Okay, well, let me go dig around in the box some more. Alright, I was able to find this bolt that fits, but it's way too long. So, I've got an idea. Okay, so got this back on here, and I got this bolt that's too long. So I found a couple nuts that are oversized and that washer, and that should get us to take up all that slack. Hopefully we'll see if we can get it tight. And I know I'm using a 3/4 socket on a metric bolt, but it works. Alright, not the prettiest thing in the world, but bolt with a nut, a washer should hold it. Seems to be, I cranked it down as about as tight as I can crank it without feeling like it's gonna break, so we'll try it. Hopefully it lasts. I love filling in that last strip. there we go. Got that field done. We only have the two little fields, the 9-acre and 7-acre, so I'm excited. Almost done planting, and it's May 7th, so that's great. There's frost in the forecast for the next 2 nights, but I didn't get planted real early, so none of mine has emerged yet, so I'm not worried at all. I don't know if anybody else really is. I've seen some corn up. I'm actually starting to see a lot of corn up, but I think the growth point's still below ground, so it'll probably be fine. But alright, that is it for tonight. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.